Hey everyone, Tracy here. Have you ever lost your candles on the chart? All of a sudden they disappear or they're squished down in the bottom somewhere and you can't get them and you don't know what to do? Let's take a look at how you can fix that. All right, so you're working away, you have your chart open, and all of a sudden this happens. You've lost your candles and you're like, oh man, what happened? Then you notice they're down in the pane below and you don't know what to do. All right. Now, if this happens originally and you haven't done anything else, you can try Control Z or Control Z, either one, and it'll reverse whatever the last thing that you did. But if that doesn't work, let's just bring this back down. Here are the other fixes for you. First thing you do is go find what you lost. So this is down in the pane below. You can see the candles are down there and I don't want them there. I want them up here. It's going to be under the ticker name, whatever it is that you're looking for, if it's the candles. And in this particular case, it's the Qs. So I see that there, look for it, highlight it, and find the 3 dots at the end. It says more. Click on that. You're going to get a window here that gives you a selection or a menu. Go to Move To, and what you're going to do is you're going to select the existing pane above to put it back where you want it. Okay, that's one way of doing it. Or another way of doing it is actually clicking on it and dragging it back up. So that's what you ended up doing to get it down there. You accidentally clicked and dragged and not realizing that that's what you've done. That's how you return it. Okay, so you can click and drag, or you can go into the More button and move it to where you want it. This can happen on an indicator. So if I click and drag, all of a sudden my VWAP is down here. I don't want it there. So I can go over, select the More button, move to new pane, or sorry, existing pane above, and I can put it back. And that's how you fix the chart. So it's happened to me a few times. It's frustrating when it does, but that's the fix for it. Happy trading. Remember to subscribe, like, and share if you found value in this video. Till next time.